Welcome to Health and Hygiene. Today we're diving into 5 fascinating facts about hormone replacement therapy, commonly known as HRT. Let's get started. Fact number 1. Hormone replacement therapy is widely used to alleviate symptoms of menopause. These symptoms include hot flashes, night sweats, mood swings, and vaginal dryness. By supplementing estrogen and progesterone, HRT helps restore hormonal balance and improve the quality of life for many women. Fact number 2. HRT comes in various forms. It can be administered through pills, patches, gels, creams, and even vaginal rings. This variety allows patients and doctors to choose the most suitable method based on individual preferences and medical needs. Fact number 3. HRT can help protect bone health. Estrogen plays a crucial role in maintaining bone density. Post-menopause, the drop in estrogen levels can lead to osteoporosis. HRT can help reduce the risk of fractures and bone loss by maintaining healthier bone density. Fact number 4. HRT has a complex relationship with cardiovascular health. Studies suggest that starting HRT close to the onset of menopause may have a protective effect on the heart. However, starting HRT later can potentially increase cardiovascular risks. It's essential to discuss the timing and type of HRT with your healthcare provider. Fact number 5. A personalized approach is key to HRT. Not everyone experiences menopause the same way, and the risks and benefits of HRT vary. It's important to have a detailed discussion with your healthcare provider to tailor HRT to your specific health needs and lifestyle. Hormone replacement therapy offers significant benefits, but also requires careful consideration. Always consult with a healthcare professional to make informed decisions. Thank you for watching. If you found these facts helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Health and Hygiene for more health tips and information. Stay healthy, stay informed. Have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover? Drop them in the comments below.